Yes?
What's about to happen?
Going sailing.
We're now moving and we're getting ready to sail.
Yep.
We're sailing. We're sailing.
Yay! We're sailing. Daddy,
Ah,
we're sailing.
we're sailing. Woo!
Yay! 4.48. Around that.
Molly, you're
Hi.
sailing.
I'm sailing.
She's steering the boat. And the sails are up. We are moving at 4.3 knots. Nice job, baby.
Thank you.
Howdy.
Wait.
I'm just gonna kind of turn to the right like 90 degrees. Get a little speed up. Okay, go, go, go. Not a bad first Concord blow, Molly. Nice job.
Your turn.
No.
Yes.
Okay, all right, here we go.
Hurry, it's flashing. Mommy's turn.
No.
Please just try.
No.
I don't know, Mommy's not made
Mommy
for
wants her
Concord
first
blowing.
Concord blow to be in the Bahamas.
Yeah, okay.